downhearted baby. I haven't been here in a couple of weeks, I think. Union Square Park with me and Benny. Look at all the little kids from the burbs. They're all going ice skating again. Oh, I thought that was Justine, but it's not. It's me. I'm free. I'm kicking and breathing. More bourbonites. Going skating? Okay, raise it out because it's starting to rain. Hey, Benny. Hey, Benny. Hey, Benny boy, Benny boy. Oh, you're going to snip those flowers too? He just loves Union Square Park. Kelly's been so sweet to take him every day. He knows if he didn't get his trip down here, he bugs you the rest of the day. Look at more suburbanites. It's so fun to see all these kids come into the city dressed up for holidays and ice skating and stuff. Ronaldo out.